Remember, these are now visuals we are getting to you from Kolkata, where apparently there are reports that an under construction flyover seems to have collapsed. There could be several workers who are trapped in the debris, but you look at the situation there, the visuals in fact giving out the entire story there, the story of complete mayhem right now, where all these workers who could be trapped under that flyover trying to evacuate it from there. Tamal with us for more details. Now, Tamal, what more do we know about this incident?
On the line.
Tamal, if you can hear me, what more do we know about this? Okay, we'll connect with Tamal quickly, but the reports in fact indicate that an under construction bridge has collapsed in North Kolkata, this near Ganesh Talkies, and there are also initial reports of casualties, though we will not give out those figures here unless we get a confirmation to that, but rescue operations are still underway. This is an under construction flyover right next to the Ganesh Talkies there, which has in fact collapsed there. Tamal with us for more details. Tamal, get us more details.
But it's a portion of the under construction Vivekananda flyover near Ganesh Talkies in North Kolkata which has collapsed. It collapsed just a short while back. Several people are feared to be trapped inside. As per credible sources within police, one body has been retrieved from the debris. So yes, one person dead. There could be many more feared trapped inside. So the rescue operation is still on. Disaster when people have been rushed to the spot. At the moment, there is too much of chaos as local people, seeing the horror, they have also assembled. So police is also trying to manage the crowd. The traffic has come to a standstill. So yes, the rescue operation is still on. We are waiting for more confirmation as far as casualties are concerned. Several people have been taken to nearby hospital. At least 5 people have been taken to a nearby hospital.
अनेकजन मारा गया चेन मुद्दे
करीबन कितने लोग की आशंका हो सकती है?
कम से कम 150 आदमी तो पक्का ही इसमें दबा हुआ।
आपका नाम?
रमेश केजरीवाल।
So one of the voices that we got to hear, in fact, he is speculating that about 150 people could be trapped under this flyover. But just look at these visuals. In fact, there you're seeing how almost everyone around, whether that's the local police, whether this is locals trying to help it.
11 बजे से सीमेंट चढ़ाया जा रहा है, तो वो सीमेंट मतलब कि उसी के वजह से उन लोग भी वहीं पर था, उन लोग अभी भी चढ़ा रहा था, उन लोग भी डर गया कि आवाज कैसे हो और तुरंत गिर गया।
ये हादसा हुआ, नीचे लोग थे ब्रिज के अंदर,
बहुत लोग थे और मतलब रिक्शा टैक्सी सब बहुत कुछ था, सब गया।
आपका नाम?
मृदुल।
और हम लोग जब टीवी देख रहे थे तो हम लोग जब टीवी देख रहे थे तब आवाज हुआ, तो हम बाबू को बोले, हमको लगता है ट्राम से ट्राम भिड़ा, बाबू देखो मकान हिलने लगा। देखे तो ब्रिज गिर गया, एकदम हम तो कांपने लग गए थे। जब हम तो कांपने लगे, सबको आवाज किया, ए देखो ब्रिज गिर गया, ब्रिज गिर गया, ब्रिज गिर गया। हम तो यहाँ टीवी देख रहा था।
जिस समय ये हुआ है, पहले भी मतलब ये कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम तो चल ही रहा था।
हाँ।
इस पर मतलब कोई कंप्लेन नहीं किया?
ना नहीं, कोई कंप्लेन नहीं किया। हम लोग बोलता था कि रात को कोई मोटर या गाड़ी कोई वो करेगा, ब्रेक मारेगा तो घर में घुसेगा, लोग मरेगा। गवर्नमेंट परमिशन कैसे दिया इन लोगों को ये बात करने, ये ब्रिज बनने के लिए? हम लोग अपना घर में बात करते हैं, ये परमिशन कैसे दिया? हमारा नाम लक्ष्मी धानुका।
मेरा तो एक ही है, मेरा नाम पूरनमल धानुका। 12:20 पे हम दाल पट्टी से दाल लेके आया, 5 मिनट रेस्ट किया, 12:25 पे ही बहुत जोर आवाज हुआ, जैसा कोई बम फटा हो या कुछ हो, घड़ 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 करके, और धुआं उठने लग गया। मेरे को क्या बात हुआ भाई, सड़क के तरफ देखा तो बोला ब्रिज गिर रहा है। देखा ये लोग भीतर में भी हमारा कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम हो रहा है, भीतर कुछ गिर गया क्या, ये सोचे हमको बाहर गया, मैं बाहर कुछ नहीं है, देखो ब्रिज गिर रहा है। मेरा नाम पूरनमल धानुका।
So this is, remember, what we've heard from the eyewitnesses and those who are living close to this area, and what we know about the tragedy is this, that this is parts of the Vivekanand Road flyover which has taken the hit there, and that has partially collapsed there, and it's a scene of a complete mayhem right there, because there are many people speculating that there could be many laborers who could be pressed under the debris there, and all efforts being made to evacuate those safely. Tamal, we've heard a lot of eyewitness accounts who essentially are saying that they heard a loud thud, and this is essentially when they sense that something has gone wrong. When they came out, they saw that parts of this bridge have collapsed.
Well, that's right. It happened around 12:25, 12:30 this afternoon.
Tamal, if you can hear me, what more details can you share with us?
Well, that's right. At around 12:25, 12:30, local peoples were alerted by a deafening sound as they saw a portion of this under construction Vivekananda flyover have completely collapsed, and they now fear many people could be trapped inside. As I said, it's an under construction flyover, so obviously there are several laborers engaged in the construction work. In fact, they were engaged since last night. So now the search is on for the laborers. We have been confirmed that at least one people have died. He was taken to the nearby hospital. His body was retrieved from the debris. At least 5 people have been rushed to the nearby hospital, have sustained major injuries. Now the search is on for more people fear trapped inside. The locals who have now assembled here is only adding to the chaos and the clutter out here. Police is really finding it difficult to manage the commotion out here. It's a busy thoroughfare, and it's a heavy on traffic now. So yes, police is finding it difficult to clear the clutter and ensure the disaster management team, which has rushed to the spot, can try and operate the rescue operation. So at the moment, the search operation is on, the rescue operation is on, clearing of debris is on to find out more people, if anyone, trapped inside. Back to you.
And also, Tamal, give us a sense of, what kind of an area this is, because looking at these first images that we are getting, it seems that this is a completely jam-packed area. It seems the rescue authorities there are having some bit of trouble also controlling the crowd.
Well, Deepti, even as we speak, the death toll possibly has now raised to 4, from 1 to 4. That's what you're getting to hear from our police sources. At least 4 bodies have been retrieved from the debris. We have to wait for an official confirmation as far as the casualty number is concerned, but our local sources and police sources are suggesting that the death toll could be on the higher side. And of course, the search operation is on. As I said, it's a very busy thoroughfare which has residential residential apartments, and also offices. Several people do use that thoroughfare. This is an under construction flyover which has been on construction for years now, which has faced several deadlines. So this under construction flyover was, people were engaged in the work from last night. So the search is now on for laborers feared to be trapped inside. We have not been able to assert the identities of the one or many people who have died so far, whose bodies have been retrieved. But we know as a matter of fact that 5 people have sustained major injuries. They have been rushed to the medical college, which is very close by. It's near to Ganesh Talkies. It's a very iconic place, and it's a very busy thoroughfare. The moment police is also trying to ensure that the traffic remains on the other flag of the road, and this flag which is connecting the Vivekananda Road flyover, that remains empty so that the rescue operation can be expedited.
इंसानियत लोग अपने लाभ के लिए इंसानियत भूल गए, अपने लालच के चलते ये ब्रिज टूट गया।
कई लोग की मरने की यहाँ पे
बहुत तकलीफ हुई, देख के बहुत तकलीफ हुई। अभी भी हम लोग सदमे से बाहर नहीं है, हम लोग अभी भी नॉर्मल नहीं हो पाए।
आपका नाम?
पूनम जलाल।
जिस टाइम गिर रहा था उस टाइम आग का तरह हिल रहा था। हम चिल्ला रहे कि बिंदिल गिर रहा, 2 आदमी भागा वहाँ से। हम इतना जोर से चिल्लाया कि लग रहा कि मेरे बदन में कोई ताकत नहीं बन रहा। तब तक पूरा बिंदिल एकदम पूरा नीचे ही उलट गया और हिला। कितने आदमी वहाँ मर गया कोई पता नहीं चला। हमारा नाम अख्तरी बेगम।
So these are, remember, some eyewitness accounts that we are getting to hear after what has happened in Kolkata. Remember, this is parts of the Vivekananda Road flyover which has collapsed there, and this is what is happening on ground right now. These are the latest visuals also on your screens, and a lot of civilians also there trying to help the fire brigade officials, the police, which have all now been rushed to the spot. Tamal with us for more details. Tamal, what is the latest?
Well, not less than 25 to 30 people from the disaster management team are now pressed into action. They are trying to identify places filled with debris where they feel there could be people trapped inside. As per eyewitnesses' account, locals have seen the fall of the portion of the Vivekananda Road flyover. They are going by the account of the eyewitnesses to understand which are the places where they need to start tracing first, or start their work first, and see if there are people trapped inside. Well, as per locals, it happened around 12 12:25 to 12:30 when they were absolutely shocked by a deafening sound, and they saw a portion of the Vivekananda Road flyover has fallen down. It's an under construction flyover, thus it's naturally expected the laborers were engaged in the work, and because laborers were engaged in the work, it's now feared the laborers could be trapped inside. So far, even though there is no official confirmation, we are being told by sources there could be multiple people dead. There had been multiple bodies being retrieved from the debris, have been sent to the hospital. At least 5 people have sustained major injuries, have been sent to local hospital for immediate medical attention. Ambulances have been rushed here. The roads leading to Vivekananda Road has been completely blocked so that rescue operation and the disaster management people can work at ease. At the same time, because it's a very busy thoroughfare, there is too much of people, chaos and commotion. Police is also trying to handle the crowd, ensure they can be kept at bay so that disaster management team can operate properly. So far, in the past 5 to 10 minutes, they have not been able to retrieve any body or rescue someone alive caught in the debris or stuck in the debris. But the search operation is on. As per locals and eyewitnesses account, there could be many people trapped inside because it's.
बच्चे लोग को देखो रो रो के बुरा हालत हो रखा है। मेरा रूम में जाके देखो बच्चा लोग बैठ नहीं पा रहा है। यार अब क्या बोलेंगे हम, जो पब्लिक जो सुविधा के लिए बनाया है, लेकिन पब्लिक के लिए सुविधा के लिए ठीक है, लेकिन ये तो जिस तरह का ब्रिज बनेगा तो पब्लिक को बहुत हरेसमेंट होगा। शशिकांत
बहुत बुरा मौका हो रहा, बहुत बुरा मौका। रात को ही ढलाई हुआ था ये ब्रिज, रात को ढलाई हुआ, सुबह पहले ये एकदम ठीक चल रहा था, परंतु पता है अचानक एकदम ऐसा बैठ गया है। ये कैसे बैठा ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा।
आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम गोपी शर्मा है। इधर से देखिए ऊपर से।
So, okay, we again dipped in essentially to listen into these eyewitness accounts. Remember why? Because Girish Park also houses a lot of residential and commercial establishments there. So people there telling us how they heard a loud thud, and this is essentially when they came out to realize that portions of this flyover have collapsed. Let's try listening into a few more voices.
हठात ब्रिज जोर से आवाज हुआ, हम लोग एकदम डर गए बहुत जोर। कल रात को ढलाई हुआ था ब्रिज, ये वाला पोर्शन कल रात को ढलाई हुआ था। ठीक है, एक तो तकदीर मेरा बढ़िया बच गया। उस समय हम जूस पी रहा था नीचे में, जूस पीने का इच्छा था, हम देखा नीचे तो जूस पिएगा, हठात देखता ब्रिज सैकड़ों आदमी दब के मर गया। अभी ब्रिज चालू नहीं हुआ, ये पोजीशन है, बाद में क्या होता है।
अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन था ये ब्रिज? अंडर
कंस्ट्रक्शन।
जब ये हादसा हुआ
कल नाइट को ये ब्रिज का ढलाई हुआ था, गणेश की सिनेमा हॉल से लेकर वहां तक। कल रात को ब्रिज ढलाई हुआ था, आज 12:15 बजे ब्रिज गिर गया।
दमकल टाइम पे आई थी जब ये हुआ?
बहुत बाद में आया सब स्थानीय मनुष्य सब इसको देखरेख किया। अनेक जन मारा गया चेर मध्य।
करीबन कितने लोग की आशंका हो सकती है?
कम से कम 150 आदमी तो पक्का ही इसमें दबा हुआ। मतलब कि हम खिड़की पे बैठा था एंड ये अचानक से आवाज आया बहुत जोर, एंड धीरे धीरे करके सब ब्रिज गिर गया पूरा। ऊपर उन लोग कल रात से 11 बजे से सीमेंट चढ़ाया जा रहा है, तो वो सीमेंट मतलब कि उसी की वजह से उन लोग भी वहीं पर था, उन लोग अभी भी चढ़ा रहा था, उन लोग भी डर गया कि आवाज कैसे हो, और तुरंत गिर गया।
ये हादसा हुआ, नीचे लोग थे ब्रिज के अंदर?
बहुत लोग थे, और मतलब रिक्शा टैक्सी सब बहुत कुछ था, सब गया।
हम लोग जब टीवी देख रहे थे तब आवाज हुआ, तो हम बाबू को बोले, हमको लगता है ट्राम से ट्राम भिड़ा, बाबू देखो मकान हिलने लगा। देखे तो ब्रिज गिर गया, एकदम हम तो कांपने लग गए थे। जब हम तो कांपने लगे, सबको आवाज किया, ए देखो ब्रिज गिर गया, ब्रिज गिर गया, ब्रिज गिर गया। हम तो यहाँ टीवी देख रहा था।
बहुत जोर आवाज हुआ, जैसा कोई बम फटा हो या कुछ हो, घड़ 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 करके, और धुआं उठने लग गया। हमको क्या बात हुआ भाई, सड़क के तरफ देखा तो बोला ब्रिज गिर रहा है। देखा ये लोग भीतर में भी हमारा कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम हो रहा है, भीतर कुछ गिर गया क्या, ये सोचे हमको बाहर गया, मैं बाहर कुछ नहीं है, देखो ब्रिज गिर रहा है।
बहुत डर लगा, जिंदगी और मौत का फासला बहुत कम हो गया था। इंसानियत, लोग अपने लाभ के लिए इंसानियत भूल गए, अपने लालच के चलते ये ब्रिज टूट गया।
कई लोग की मरने की यहाँ पे आशंका है।
बहुत तकलीफ हुई। देख के बहुत तकलीफ हुई। अभी भी हम लोग सदमे से बाहर नहीं है, हम लोग अभी भी नॉर्मल नहीं हो पाए।
जिस टाइम गिर रहा था उस टाइम आग का तरह हिल रहा था। हम चिल्ला रहे कि बिंदिल गिर रहा, 2 आदमी भागा वहाँ से। हम इतना जोर से चिल्लाए कि लग रहा कि मेरे बदन में कोई ताकत नहीं बन रहा। तब तक पूरा बिंदिल एकदम पूरा नीचे ही उलट गया और हिला। कितने आदमी वहाँ मर गया कोई पता नहीं चला।
So a lot of eyewitnesses there, in fact, detailing the entire sequence. Remember the entire incident being reported at about 12:25 to 12:30 this morning, and it's been an hour since then. We are also being told that disaster management teams now have been rushed to the spots. Ambulances, fire brigades, all have been rushed to the spot. In the meantime, the JCBs are also there, as we saw in one of those visuals. But this is essentially giving you a sense of the fact that this was an under construction flyover which now has collapsed, and in fact it's gone under the weight of a lot of vehicles also which could have been parked underneath. And not just that, the real cause of worry here seems to be all those laborers who were working on this bridge, and this is why it's important perhaps to evacuate them safely. And also this image, in fact, on your screens giving you a sense of how crowded this entire area is. Now Girish Park is said to be an extremely crowded area. It houses a lot of commercial and residential establishments, and we've heard from a lot of eyewitnesses there, local residents there, who are saying that they heard a loud thud. Then they came out and then they realized that parts of this flyover which had been under construction, it's missed a lot of deadlines, seem to have collapsed. But what really happened, how many people perhaps could be trapped, is something that the authorities are working on right now. But a lot of civilians also there. You see a lot of locals who've come out there to help the disaster management teams right now to safely evacuate all those laborers who could be trapped under the debris. And Tamal there has been telling us more about the latest situation. We do know that about 4 people are feared dead. 4 bodies have been retrieved so far. Many are said to be injured. They've been rushed to the nearby hospitals. But you would appreciate that this is a developing story and a very difficult situation there also for the rescue teams there, who are trying to control the crowd, trying to control the tempers, but at the same point keeping their focus on rescue operations, because that is the top priority. Even as we look at these images coming to us from different angles, whether this is about the kind of damage that this might really have caused. And there is a lot of construction material also on the site right now which could hamper this rescue operation. But we see those teams right now on the spot with the JCB machines, with their cutters, with other equipments, trying to cut through those iron rods that you see that are coming out of those parts of the flyover, which has now collapsed about an hour ago. And this tragedy being reported from northern Kolkata, and this is parts of the Vivekanand Road flyover there, which has now come down. And we do know now that the government there is trying to ensure that the rescue operation in fact is expedited.
अभी भी लोग पब्लिक डर के मारे बेचैन हो रखा है, बुरा हालत हो रखा है फैमिली का। बच्चे लोग को देखो रो रो के बुरा हालत हो रखा है। और मेरा रूम में जाके देखो बच्चा लोग बैठ नहीं पा रहा है। यार अब क्या बोलेंगे हम, जो पब्लिक जो सुविधा के लिए बनाया है, लेकिन पब्लिक के लिए सुविधा के लिए ठीक है, लेकिन ये तो जिस तरह का बीज बनेगा तो पब्लिक को बहुत हरेसमेंट होगा।
And Mohammed Salim also with us on the phone line. Now, Mr. Salim, is there any word yet reaching to you about the kind of rescue operations which perhaps have been launched by the government? And who was the contractor? How many laborers are actually there who were on the site, sir? Any more information you can share with us?
First of all, absolute callousness towards the valuable lives of the laborers or the pedestrians. There is a broad daylight market area. Thousands of people are passing by. Normally, in such congested area, when flyover work is construction is going on, it's during the night shift after blocking the roads and movement of the people. But this is not only callousness; it's a corruption involved. The same work has witnessed several retendering and stoppage by the same municipal corporation mayor and the urban development minister and their goons for extortion and for kickbacks. These are the people who are caught in the Narda tape, and the same people are responsible for this.
Now, Mr. Mohammed Salim, you'll appreciate the fact that this perhaps is not the right time perhaps for a lot of politics. Give us a sense of what more do we know about the area, if you would have any kind of information as Okay,
Politics is determining
sir, essentially, yes.
People are mourning. I'm rushing to the spot. But why the government is not coming out? Because local people knows the anger has led to your news. Otherwise, they would have suppressed it, saying that it's a concocted story.
All right, Mohammed Salim of the CPIM already there. You're looking at blame game being ensued as far as this flyover is concerned, but we do know that the focus is on the rescue operations. But as Mr. Mohammed Salim was also talking, this is a congested area. This means that there are residential buildings, there are commercial buildings, there are people passing by. There is also a close by metro station, and on top of it there were laborers working on this flyover when it collapsed. And we are also looking at the rescue operation, which has already been picking up pace in the last few minutes.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.